Today I'm going to show you how to make a random word generator in Python. So I'm going to go to file and new file. So I've opened a new file here, and now I'm going to import the module random, which allows you to get a random item. Now I'm going to make a list. So I'm going to name it word list equals square brackets, and I'm going to name it Python. This is one of the items in the list is cool and easy to learn. I'm going to close the square brackets, and now we are going to print the random word. So here print and random.choice, this is a function, and now I'm going to give the list name. So word list, close the brackets, and I'm going to first print the random word is, and I'm going to close it, plus, and I'm going to run it. Now I'm going to save it, file, save. I'm going to name it word.py, and I'm going to run it. So the random word is. So as you can see, is a word in the list. Maybe I can give a space here. I'm going to save it, and I'm going to run it again. So now the random word is cool. So as you can see, this random word generator works. You can give the words in the list any name you want. For example, I can give this as SparkRay is cool. I'm gonna run it. As you can see, it still works. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.